1212, Saturday, June 27th, 8:30 p.m., 102 degrees Fahrenheit. It is as hot as a son of a gun out here today. Let's take a walk, see what's going on at Fremont Street Experience, just to see. Okay, let's go. It's a fair crowd for 8:30, yeah? You know, folks, check out the Golden Gate. Tonight, just to walk through. Just to walk through. Lovely showgirl. Hey. No, there are no, there are no, how do you say, live shows yet here at these stages. Oh, and there's the circa. Oh, check it out. They have the roof installed. Is that right? Wait a minute. Is that, oh no, sorry. Oh, these bad eyes. So it's almost like an optical illusion where the tower, for an instant, looked like it was leaning over, as if it were the roof covering something, but there is no roof, right? So I don't know what I was thinking of. Oh, man. Whoa. All right, let's keep on walking. So it is not slammed. There's a good crowd here, but it's not slammed. Do your mask counts if you want to. Little kids roaming around. So now there's a sign when you walk in which says over 21, no backpacks, and something else I forgot. Oh, must show ID, I think, yeah. So actually I was down there last night, but I had a backpack, so I didn't come in, I couldn't get in, so I came back tonight. Well, so we'll see, okay guys? Let's just see what's going on, yeah? Smear the marijuana all around here. All around. There it is. Must wear a mask, be 20 years or older ID, and no backpacks. All right, here we go. No? So what?
ID. Face mask and IDs.
Where is that man at? Damn it. Sorry, man, hold on. Sorry. walled off. Okay, so now in the daytime, it's not so crucial for them to check everybody, but in the evening, they do check things, so there you go. So it's still early. And I imagine in an hour or so, it'll be packed out here. There's the line for the Slotzilla. Lots of folks want to ride. Hey. La 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 la. And that is the Fremont Street Experience for Saturday night, June 27th, 2020. 102 degrees outside. Brazil, Brazil. Well, here is the, what do you call it? Heart Attack Grill. Not nearly as crowded as usual. Not nearly as crowded. Woo! Woo! Yep, I think I'll do you guys, all right? Hey. All right, just OneManOneCamera. Thank you all for joining me today. Just a quick walk through of the Fremont Street Experience. Maybe, you know what, we'll walk down a little bit more and just see what's going on out here, okay? And then we'll get out of here, all right? So call it bonus footage if you want. Oh, check this guy out. Wait a minute. Check out his unicycle. It's a big unicycle. Here we go. All right. To the left is the Park on Fremont. Good little bar, nice happy hour, tasty drinks. They have good, what do you call it, bar food too, you know? Fries, some chicken wing type stuff, and it was good. It was really good. Looks like a busy night. Over the far side of the Griffin and everything else. Here is the pizza shop. There's Corduroy. Oh wow, Tequila Mezcal House. It's a new shop opening up here. Therapy. And there is the Lei Tai restaurant. Very strong name. Very strong name. We'll walk down as far as the container park and then get out of here. Okay. Let's see. Let's see, there is the El Cortez Tower right there. And the El Cortez Casino right here. Here is the Commonwealth. These guys have a good happy hour also. The times I went. Funny how I only know happy hour places, right? Ha ha. Yeah. All right. There's the El Cortez.
I thought he was talking about Salvador. Is that where you're from? No?
Right.
So this other place is called Siam Square Thai restaurant. Haven't tried it yet, but they have some good reviews. Let's see, as we got deeper into the virus shutdown, this sign has gotten bigger and bigger. Huh. You know, and they have outdoor seating now. At first, they did not. Yeah. Somebody playing some music over here. Oh, a taco truck or a food truck. Oh, taco truck, yeah. Huh. All right, that will just about do it. I'm stopping right here at 7th and the Fremont Street, as there is the container park. All right, you guys, once again, thank you all for joining me today. And there's the Strat way off in the distance. Can you hear that? Somebody shot off some fireworks. It is close to the 4th of July, and in some areas you will hear fireworks going off late at night, 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. Thank you for nothing, and so on and so on. Jeff always says, your pal, one man, one camera, saying, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are, and have a great day. Cheerio!